catch me in the glare. Up there.
These are the signs. Ththese are the
I
signs.
don't need to write this moment, but that'll be good. What's the name of your song?
Signs.
Signs. All right, then, cool. Cool. All right, so, all right, anything y'all need from me? Because I don't want to ask you too many questions right now because I want to be
Of course.
on
No,
air.
yeah, you
You
good.
know what I mean? Because if I ask you too many questions now,
Then
I'll be
you
like,
gotta have a boring show,
I'm not giving you permission to take me now. Trying to make it, but it's made no guarantee. But I guarantee I'll make sure we have a quality interview, and you know, what I'm saying we'll just talk and have some fun. Okay. All right. All right, no problem.
2,
Got me cheesy.
3. Let me get
I'm always cheesy.
You're always cheesy.
I'm not one of those.
B2D Hip Hop Show. How is everybody doing? It's going to be a great Monday night. It's your main man, DJ Big Mike, on the B2D Hip Hop Show. Unfortunately, my main man, B2D, he's a little under the weather. But my man, if you listen to this, hey man, I need you to get better soon, all right? Big homie, all right? Now, we have an interview coming up today. I'm going to let you know who it is, but not quite yet. And of course, in that 8 o'clock hour, we do have Stupid Criminals. It's going to be a fantastic night here at the B2D Hip Hop Show. And to start things off, man, we got B2D himself. It's locked up right here on Blazing 985. Jay-Z here on the B2D Hip Hop Show, Blazing 985. All right then, and I got a little background, something, but I have a talented individual in the studio with us today. Ladies and gentlemen, L.I. is in the building. What's going on, my man?
Not a whole lot, man. I'm just glad to be here.
All right, say it again.
Say, I'm just glad to be here.
You know, I'm glad to have you in here with that loud-ass orange shirt on. What's really going on? Okay, so how'd you get into the rhyming game?
You know what? I really got into it when I was younger. I just really liked music. You know, I had a lot of soulful music that I grew up with, and then I got introduced to hip-hop by one of my big brothers. And I just took it from there. He used to make beats, and he put me on, and I've just been doing it ever since.
As far as your writing style is considered, would you say that you just sit down and you just hear the beat and you just write it, or could you just be doing something, you'd be like, wait a minute, and then you got to grab your phone and write something down? Like, what's your writing style?
Yeah, my phone is full of those. You know, I might be driving and come up with a bar, and I can't type, so, you know, I'll pull out the... I'll make a voice memo and I'll record a bar real quick, or you know, if I'm listening to a beat and I just really feel it, then I just get to work.
I mean, it's 2016. I don't think you want to, put yourself at just one thing. I mean, if somebody come at you, you want to have them bars, but at the same time, you want to be able to hear something and make a song, because I don't feel that everybody knows how to make a song.
Exactly, that's a lost art.
That's a little, okay, then,
I'm bringing it back, though.
You heard them, folks? L.I. bringing it back. All right, let's premiere this brand new song. Please, could you do me the honors of introducing your brand new record, please?
I appreciate y'all for checking out this brand new record by L.I. featuring Cass, Signs. Yeah, man. Why, Phil?
Listen to TLC, baby. You know we be creeping.
Blazing!
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Not much. What do you think of the record?
The record is tight. I wasn't expecting that so much, but yeah, I think it's got a nice little flavor to it.
I think so too.
So come with a real one.
Signs here on the B2D Hip Hop Show. That's a brand new single, exclusive, just played for the first time anyway, right?
For the first time.
For the first time anyway. That's L.I. You heard him. Come mess with a real one. All right, then you chopped it up at first, right? Because I like the way it came in with kind of piano, right? And then the beat was nice. Then you wrote the beat when you were chopping it up, right? And then it boom! And I was like, oh, check this out. Come mess with a real one, all right? Gotta talk in Spanish while I'm pulling your hair and you all up in your feelings?
That's right.
Dude. Yeah, you gonna be in trouble for that one right over there. Okay, when you get home, you know that, yeah, you need to explain that one to me one more time. All right, you understand that's coming, right?
Yeah, well, you know, that was my persona that's playing.
Oh, that was okay.
You know, so,
okay, that wasn't the real you.
Yeah, that wasn't me.
That wasn't you, huh? Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna try that one anyway.
I'm gonna have a feeling, wife, you're gonna be like, keep me out your songs. I ain't gonna tell you no more. Keep me out your song. Man, I'm feeling that song. Okay, now,
right on.
Would you mind if I play that song like wherever I'm at? And you know, what I'm saying, I need a regular version too. Okay, because I'm playing some kind of grimy places, but they like that.
Yeah.
All right, they like that. and something tells me the females are really gonna like that.
Definitely.
Okay,
I'll
because
give it to you today.
they say don't pull my hair, but when you do it the right way, they really like it. Okay, it's okay then. All right. Hey, we got some Tupac coming your way. It's the B2D Hip Hop Show. All right, what exactly? I hate queuing up a record and then not being able to find. Hey, I did a round. All right, was that you? Did you get around?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. All right. I hope your wife is listening. All right. Blazer 985. Thank you very much, Ella. It was very nice meeting you, man. Good. It was very nice meeting you. Very much coming out.
You know you wanna fuck with a real one. I know you want me in your life. So baby.